Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn 5 more vocabulary words. As per promise, I am uploading vocabulary video on daily basis. I hope you have learned the vocabulary that I uploaded in previous video. In today's video I will teach you 5 more words. If you want to remember them for a long time, keep practice them, keep revise them so you won't forget them. Okay, let's get started. So the first word is very important. Don't say very important, say crucial. When a meeting is very important, say the meeting is crucial. The second word is pain. Don't say pain, say ache. My heart ached. I felt ache in my head. Don't say strange, say peculiar. I noticed something peculiar. There's something peculiar in her behavior today. So the fourth word is free time. Don't say free time, say leisure. I read book in my leisure. The fifth word is old fashioned. Don't say old fashioned, say quaint. Quaint treat. So today 5 words, keep practice them for the more you practice, the more you will remember them for a long time. Okay, I hope you like my video. Bye bye.